Next is Nishant.
Hi all, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
I'm just sharing my screen. So I will be presenting my Excel-based utility. That is a software which I have prepared for billing purpose. So basically, the problem statement which I have faced is there are a lot of clients who is having turnover more than 40 lakhs. So they are into GST. So they will be billing as per their own softwares, and then they might come to us.
Nishanti,
Yeah.
is there something wrong with your camera?
No, no, no. I have switched on my. Oh, sorry. Yeah, now I have switched on my camera.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. So basically, the problem statement is clients come to us at the last moment taking their physical bills, and then we will have to enter that into Tally and then do the accounting and then file GSTR reports. So for all those smaller clients which are not required to do the accounting or they don't have bandwidth, so for them I have created this billing software so that they can do all their billing, record here, and just send us the file. Based on the file itself, we can file their GSTR. No need of the client to visit your premises at like 10th or 11th last day and then give you physical files. So this is my billing software. So this is the home screen. So you can just go in Business Master. This is an Excel based utility. So everything is offline. Business Master, you have to put your own business details, everything. This is one time job. Once your Business Master is done, then uh, okay, just one. I'll go again to the Business Master. So here you have to select whether you are selling goods or you are selling service. So for both this utility works. Okay. So once this is done, then you have to add customer. So customer master is to be created. So this is the customer master which I have created for two customers. This is adding is very simple. You have to go here and just put all the information. So let's say I just want to add this customer, and once I click on add customer, the customer is added to the master. So now there are three customers. Like that, if you want to edit, you can just fetch here any customer, get details, you can edit. Let's say I'm edit over here and update customer. So the customer gets updated over here. And if you want to delete any customer, you just have to select the customer ID and delete it. So this is a customer master. Once customer is done, then you have to add inventory. So inventory should be predefined inventory. All inventories, its HSN codes are to be added, rates are to be added. So this will be a inventory master. Okay, I don't know, there is some problem with code, so it's not closing properly every time. So once this is done, then customer may start billing. So this is the screen wherein the customer will prepare its bills. So this is not a printable, this is entering details. So herein what I have done is starting point is all fixed, and then all the numbers will be predetermined one after the other. So customer at the start of the year will just have to put in here one, and then the series will continue in itself. Okay, so while billing, you will have to select the customer. All details will be taken from your master. Then your items, let's say whatever you want to sell, read. Okay, then now GST requires this unit of measurement. So this has been added. So we will save this also. Okay, so once this is filled, and here I have given state sales or interstate sales. So once you select this, your GST will be calculated. When state sales, it will be CGST, SGST, otherwise it will be IGST. So once the bill is properly prepared, then customer will save the bill. Okay, so the bill is saved in a sales register. So you can see here, this is the bill which I have saved right now, and it has all the details which is GST compliant. So invoice number, customer name, state code, GST of customer, description, then product details, whether it is in numbers, um, then whether it is a tax invoice. So here only, if there is a debit note or credit note, it can be generated over here only. So it will be classified over here. So if it is a tax invoice or debit note, credit note, and if it is debit note, credit note, it will take cancelled invoice, original invoice date and number. If a customer wants to cancel an invoice, so he can just select this and put the number. So once he put the number, the invoice will be written as cancelled. So the control will be there. The invoice will be not be like deleted. It will be only marked as cancelled. So that while filing GST also, you will know what exactly what number is cancelled in which has to be reported in GST R1. So while printing, so this is my printable invoice. So while printing, you just have to select the invoice here, invoice number, and you can see the whole invoice is being generated. And you can just go there and you can just print PDF. So it's been So this is how customer can easily maintain all its sales ledger over the year, and every month he is not required to give you any kind of physical file, but only give you this sales register for filing GSTR, and this can be given on first day of the next month itself, so that as a chartered accountant you can immediately work and finish your work. Then additional feature what I have given is record expenses. So only GSTR1 is done. So now for 3B, we have to check online 2B, and we have to check what client has actually purchased or what client has spent, on which GST credit he requires to take. So for that, I have to get that information also. So client can fill this information, and client can give us this expense register also. So once we get this register, we can just check it with the 2A to B, and then highlight client if any credit is not available online, or if someone has not filed their GSTR1, so client can follow up with the other person. So, and this is a backup facility what I have given. So client can just generate this sales register. It will come out, and it will be saved automatically in here, path C, billing register, sales register. So this is saved, and this every month client can send you this, so that you can file your GST filings. So this is my
The
utility.
last 2 minutes is left.
Yeah. So like goods, if you are a service provider, you will have to just select here services, and then when you select services, your invoicing is slightly different. Now this is a sales register. You will have to add row and write here your sales. Okay, the like classification, date, and everything you will have to write here. And once it is written here, then here you can just select the invoice number, and your invoice is ready to be printed. So this is a short utility, I think. Yes, I'm finished with the presentation and open for questions.
So, Nishantji, I think you used VBA for this particular thing.
Correct. This is a VBA based coding.
So, I mean, no, not an OCR recording or something like that, only invoicing tool basic, right?
Yeah, it is a basic invoicing tool made for smaller traders or some people who are in GST and not doing any accounting. So for them, the tool.
Vishal sir, Ashish ji.
Uh, Sir, I think like this is a very basic tool, and the thing is very less use of AI is there. Purely coding, hard coded, I suppose.
So AI I have used for generation of coding basically. So
Okay.
I am
No, you
not
could have
that.
like even send the email from here rather than saving a PDF.
Okay, okay. I will do that coding
Yeah,
as
because
well.
PDF was something very basic thing, which everybody I think has got a solution in Excel by some way or other.
Hmm. Correct. So I will code that also that
Yeah,
so good inside.
yeah, yeah. And but since you are sending for the GST data, at least you can send it to that CA who has created this directly.
Okay, yeah, correct. So practice
Yeah,
own CA that can be sent directly from this Excel.
yeah,
So that can be done. I'll work on
right.
that.
Yeah, definitely. But overall, it's a good tool for small enterprises, micro and small enterprises, I suppose, for
Yeah,
whom
sure.
the billing softwares are not available too much, right?
Correct, correct.
Yeah. Okay.
क्योंकि अगर देखा जाए ना
Ashish sir, any questions?
Cool. Sir, nice tool, simple one, but yes, very usable for small
Yeah.
entities, as you said. We can go
Hmm.
ahead. Thank you, Nishanji.
Yeah. Thank you.